Let's now go to fibromyalgia. Let's discuss regional acupuncture treatment for arms and legs. For arms, the muscle channels influencing the arms are the large intestine, triple burner, and the small intestine muscle channels. And the superficial and deep muscles are as follows. The regional acupuncture treatment for arms, the small intestine, if it's superficial, it's in the extensor carpi ulnaris, triceps brachii, and deltoid. For deep, it's in the flexor carpi ulnaris and supinator. Next is the triple burner. If it's superficial, it's in the extensor digitorum, extensor carpi ulnaris, extensor digiti minimi, anconus, triceps brachii, and deltoid. If it's deep, it's flexor digitorum, profundus, extensor indicis, abductor pollicis longus, and supinator. The large intestine, if it's superficial, it's in the extensor digitorum, extensor carpi radialis longus, extensor carpi radialis brevis, abductor pollicis longus, brachioradialis, brachialis, triceps brachii, and deltoid. For deep, it's in the extensor pollicis brevis, extensor pollicis longus, and supinator. The strategic points to be used are SI3, triple burner 5, triple burner 7, triple burner 8, triple burner 14, LI4, LI10, LI14, and LI15. Next is to go to the legs. The muscle channels influencing the legs are the stomach, spleen, liver, kidneys, gallbladder, and bladder muscle channels. In fibromyalgia, the tender spots are usually on the yang rather than the yin channels. The superficial and deep muscles of the yang channels on the legs are as follows. Here we can see the points of the legs for fibromyalgia. The regional acupuncture treatment, the legs and bladder. For superficial, it's in the gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, biceps femoris, semitendinosus, semimembranosus, gastrocnemius, quadratus femoris, plantaris, popliteus, tibialis posterior, and flexor hallucis longus. For deep, it's piriformis, abduturator internus, gluteus minimus, gemellus superior, and gemellus inferior, and soleus. The gallbladder, if it's superficial, it's in the gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, tensor fascia latae, peroneus longus, peroneus brevis, peroneus tertius, gastrocnemius. For deep, it's gluteus minimus, vastus lateris, soleus, extensor digitorum longus. For stomach, if it's superficial, it's in the rectus femoris, vastus intermedius, vastus lateralis, pectineus, adductor longus, sartorius, tibialis anterior, extensor digitorum longus. For deep, it's in the psoas minor, psoas major, iliacus, adductor brevis, adductor magnus, extensor hallucis longus, and quadratus lumborum. The strategic points to be used are bladder 40, bladder 58, bladder 57, bladder 60, gallbladder 30, gallbladder 31, gallbladder 34, stomach 31, stomach 32, and stomach 36. Thank you for your attention.